lovies, so I got another TikTok shop find for you. Look how beautiful this packaging is right here in the orange shopping cart. You can get this blow dryer, and you know I always have the deals for you guys, right? Because everything in my TikTok shop is on sale. Every time you click the link right here, you get it at a discounted price. So if you're looking for a blow dryer that has all these functions, then this is the one for you. Let's get into all of this. Okay, so for the buttons, this is the on button, on and off. This one is for cold air. This one is the temperature control button, and this one is the wind speed. Okay. Yeah, you hear that? I do the hot air. Let's do some cold air. That's cold. And then the wind. Here, getting louder, louder. Yeah, then lowering. You need this. I'm not asking, I'm telling. You need this. Click the orange shopping cart right here on the video and order yours now. Bye, lovies.